Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Don't be stuck up in a system. The system is required provided if you make progress towards the realization of the Supreme. But if you simply follow a system but do not make advance in the matter of realizing the Supreme, then according to Srimad Bhagavatam or according to the Vedic version, it is simply labor of love. It has no value. Therefore Bhagavad says that is first-class religion system. It doesn't matter you call it Hindu or Muslim or Christian or Buddha. That is first-class religion which helps you progressing in realization of the Adhokhaja. Adhokhaja, another name of Krishna. Adhokhaja means the subject matter which you cannot understand simply by mental speculation or by empiric knowledge, by exercising in empiric knowledge. That is called Adhokhaja. Adhokrita akhaja jnanam jatra. So we have to approach that Adhokhaja. There are different stages of knowledge. Pratyakha, Parakha, Aparakha, Adhokhaja, Aprakita. So we have to approach the Aprakita, transcendental, above the material nature. Adhokhaja is almost nearer than the lower grade of knowledge. Pratyakha, Parakha, Aparakha. They are in the Kanishtadikar. Atyamima harai japujang. Yate natad bhakteshu channeshu sabhakta prakita smita. So, prakita stage is pratyakha knowledge, direct perception, and knowledge received from parampara, pratyakha, parakha, then aparakha, self-realization, then adhokhaja, aprakita. So, Krishna consciousness is aprakita knowledge. It is the topmost platform of knowing Krishna, aprakita knowledge. So, so long we are up to the adhokhaja knowledge, that is regulative principles. We have to follow the regulative principles strictly, and aprakita knowledge is for the Paramahansa. That is called raga bhakti. In these stages, pratyakha, parakha, they are called vidhi bhakti. But without vidhi bhakti, you cannot reach to the platform of raga bhakti. Although that is our aim. Raganuga, raga bhakti is executed following the footprints of the devotees in Vrindavan. That is called raga bhakti. Krishna's personal associates, not to become directly a Krishna's personal associate, but following the footprints of Krishna's eternal associates, we can come to the stage of raga bhakti. That is called parabhakti. That parabhakti is required. Brahma bhuta prasannatma na sochati na kankati samas sarveshu bhuteshu madbhakti labati parabhakti. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is gradually developing up to the stage of raga bhakti or para-bhakti, then life is successful. In that way, we should not be disturbed by these ethereal interactions. As it is stated here, mriduttam katinattam cha saittam usnattam evacha. We are disturbed by these things. Suppose we are lying on the floor, it is katinattam. It is very hard. But if we give a cushion or a nice mattress, that is mriduttam. Similarly, sitosna, water, sometimes it is felt very chilly, cold, and sometimes it is very hot. The water is the same. According to the change of ethereal arrangement, it is becoming in different position, different condition, and it is the source of pains and pleasure on account of this touch, the skin. The skin is touch. So if we understand fully that I am not this body, that requires realization, Atmanubhuti. The more we become advanced in spiritual consciousness, the more we become situated in Atmastham. That is called Sthita Prajna. Then we shall not be disturbed. And we should practice not to be disturbed by these conditional or ethereal transformation. Because we do not belong as spirit soul. Aham Brahmasmi, I do not belong to this material arrangement. But I have been accustomed to this. So by practice, I have to come to the spiritual status, and during practice, it requires tolerance. That is called bhajan sadhan or tapasya, austerity, penance, tolerance. The things which are not, but somewhere or other we have identified with such material things, and to practice again, come to the spiritual form, that tolerance is called tapasya. This is the meaning of tapasya. Tapa means pain, so voluntarily accepting some pain.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,